Hey, this is Christelle,
and Elizabeth,
and this is PDPDQ.
where leaders soar.
Today we're going to show you how to use the iMovie app to make trailers.
Your options for using iMovie trailers are really endless. You can make book trailers where students can do book reviews or book summaries. They can promotions such as promoting the 7 habits, research presentations on historical figures or historical events, personal narrative trailers explaining an event in their life, invitations, greeting cards, document a science experiment, or even explain a math problem.
Here are the action steps you need to make iMovie work for you.
Planning is a very important part of making an iMovie trailer. Visit our online tools board to find some handy iMovie trailer planners. Click on the picture iMovie trailer planners and it will lead you to a website where planners have already been created. If you scroll down to the bottom, first you'll see a brainstorming sheet. The brainstorming sheet allows students to develop their essential question or their main idea of their trailer, and then allows them to list important details that need to be included in the trailer and anything else they might think they'd like to add. At the bottom of the sheet, it gives some adjectives to describe the different theme templates inside of iMovie. They can look at those adjectives and decide which template might be best for their iMovie trailer. Once students have decided on which theme they would like, you can print that template out directly off this web page. You'll see this one matches the superhero theme template. First, they can fill in their movie name at the top, and then in the credits box, which they will see directly on the iPad as well, it will be things like edited by, written by, directed by, where they can simply put in their names and their partner's name. Then you can see in those long rectangular boxes, that's where their text would go. And short phrases are recommended as they don't flash on the screen for very long. In the bigger rectangular boxes is where they can brainstorm ideas for pictures. They can write in words of what pictures they think they might use, or they can draw in a picture just to get an idea and go ahead and plan out their movie. Now let's make our trailer. Open the iMovie app. When you open the iMovie app, you will see a plus sign in the top right. You will tap the plus sign, and then you will choose Trailer for New Project. Then you will see at the bottom of the screen there were the different templates or different themes. You will choose which theme you want, and then you will choose Create Trailer. First, you will fill out the outline of the movie. The outline of the movie is the title, the studio name that you came up with, and then the credit information. Just be sure on Director of Photography that if you do get the images offline that you give the credit to Creative Commons, or if you use it from the book, give the credit to the illustrator of the book. You just simply tap on a line, you would delete out any text, and just type in whatever text is needed. Once the outline is complete, you will tap Storyboard, and it will lead you to the storyboard, which looks just like the worksheet planner that was completed. The blue boxes, rectangles, are for text. Tap on the blue box, delete out the text, and type in your new text. The gray boxes are for pictures. To insert a picture, tap one of the gray boxes. It'll be highlighted in blue. You can choose Camera at the bottom and take a picture or video directly with the iPad, or you can choose Photos and access the iPad's camera roll. If you access the camera roll, this is where pictures from the internet will be saved or any other pictures that were taken with the iPad camera. You tap on the picture that you want, and it will be directly inserted into the gray box where that is highlighted. You can choose if you want to start where you want your picture to start or end. For example, you could zoom in at the beginning of the picture and zoom out at the end. You would just simply tap Start, position it where you want it, and then tap In, position it where you want it, and then you would tap Done in the bottom left. You would do this for each picture of your iPad of the story template. And remember, it is okay to reuse pictures. And video clips can be used, however, there will be no audio with the video clips because the music will be in the background. Once your storyboard is complete, you will tap the arrow in the middle of the screen to go back and save it. You will then get to a screen where you can enter in a title. And you will type in your title and then you will tap done and your movie is complete and ready to share.
Time to reach out. Hashtag PDQ iMovie. Let us know how you're using this awesome tool. And that's another edition of Professional Development Pretty Darn Quick.